and leave. I'm telling you right now.
I will be here with my. He's pulling. He is pushing.
Hey, you're under arrest.
Get on video.
Nope, you're under arrest. You're under arrest.
Get off.
Get on the ground.
Are you kidding me?
Nope, I'm not kidding you. I told you to stop.
Get it on video, Bryce. Get it on video. Are you kidding me right now? Get off of me. Are you kidding
Stop.
me?
For nothing. What you do?
Off. What are you?
On November 21, 2023, at 8:07 p.m., a routine speeding stop for a 17-year-old clocked at 73 miles per hour quickly spiraled into a chaotic family affair, after the officer noted the distinct scent of marijuana. The roadside investigation took a sharp turn when the driver's mother arrived on the scene, immediately launching into a confrontation and refusing to step back from the active stop.
Here's my stop. You're going 73 and a 55.
Any kind of drugs or alcohol or anything in the car?
No. Can I help you with something?
It's my son.
Okay, do you have the insurance?
I don't have it on me right now. How fast?
I'm going 73 and a 55. And it smells like weed in the car. You know he smokes weed?
It doesn't everybody. I don't know about it. Don't get out.
Hop out of the car.
Do not get out of the car.
Why? Get out of the car.
Get out of the car.
Because it smells like...
So
Okay.
there's stuff in his car is what you're telling me?
Well, that's what it looks like.
You're going to get him out and look through the car?
I'm going to search the vehicle. Weed in the car, and they're shaking the car. Step back here. I'm going to take a look through the car. Do you have anything in there besides a little bit of weed or anything? If you don't move, you are going to get arrested too, ma'am. If you don't move, you need to leave my stop now. You need to leave my stop.
Pull me over for speeding. That's
Yeah.
you can't.
What
You
is
need
it?
to leave my stop now.
You can arrest
Get back in your car and leave. I'm telling you right now.
I will be here with my. He's pulling. He is pushing. me.
You're under arrest.
Get on video.
Nope,
Get
you're
on
under
video.
arrest.
Get on video.
You're under
Get
arrest.
up.
Get on the
What,
ground.
Are you kidding me?
Nope,
Get on
I'm
video.
not kidding you. I told you to stop.
Get it on video, Bryce. Get it on video. Are you kidding me right now? Get off of me. Are you kidding
Stop.
Nothing. For nothing. What you
me?
do?
Get off. What are you doing?
What you
Get
do?
on video
17
now.
What you do?
I did nothing.
What you do?
I did nothing. I stopped for my 17-year-old
Relax.
kid.
Stand up.
Get off. Get off.
You want to go to jail too?
off.
Get out of my face.
My hands are up. My hands are up.
Get off of us. Who are
Put
you?
it around.
My hands are up.
What is wrong with
My
you?
hands are up. I haven't done anything.
I told you.
Put your hands up. Put your hands
You're
up.
under arrest.
Help.
Hands are up.
Help.
Stop. I told you to stop.
Hands are up. What the f*** did you do?
If you don't get out of my face,
off.
What? My hands are
you're
up.
going to get tased.
What am I doing?
Stop. I already have him on the way, bud.
Get off.
Stop. I told you. I've told you.
Here, give me your mother. Give me. I'm recording.
You're under arrest.
There's a police that's illegally arresting my mother for nothing. That she did nothing wrong. There's a
Stop.
police. There's a sheriff.
Put your other hand behind your back.
Mother, give me your phone.
Put your hand behind your back. You're under arrest.
This is my mother for nothing.
Put your other hand behind your back.
She's on the ground because she came over here.
He is pushing me
Put
down.
your...
I'm a minor and he's
I told you.
abusing her right now.
Leave your hand behind your back.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
She can't. What'd she do wrong, sir? What'd she do wrong to be slammed on the ground? Tell me. Tell me, please. Tell me.
I can't breathe.
Back
What
up.
am I doing illegal? What
Back
am
up.
I doing illegal? What am I doing illegal?
Breathe.
Let her breathe. Officer's not letting my mom breathe right now.
Help me.
Really?
Breathe.
Well, you gotta keep your hand behind your back.
Keep your hands on your back now. Now.
I can't breathe.
Now. Just listen.
I can't
Just
breathe.
listen.
Let me put you...
She can't breathe.
Touch me again, you're gonna get tased.
She can't breathe.
You touch me again,
She can't
you're
breathe.
gonna get tased.
She can't. Okay,
I'm telling you right now.
I'm not touching you, am I?
Back up.
No, please.
Stop.
Hey, put your hand behind your
Put your hand behind your back.
Put your hand behind your back, please. For me, mother.
I'm not gonna tell you again.
What did she do wrong? My hands are
Hands
up.
behind your back.
Hands are up.
Hands behind your back.
Hands are up. Behind my back.
You're going back.
Go, Bryce, go.
What did I do wrong? Sir,
Get back on the ground.
why am I being arrested? Get on the ground. Why am I
Put
being
your
arrested?
hands behind your
Why am
back.
I being arrested? Tell me. I have every legal right to... For you to tell me why I'm being arrested. Why am I being arrested right now? Why am I being arrested right now? Tell me.
Stop.
Why are you slamming
Down on
me?
your knees. Down on your knees.
He doesn't hurt
Get down on your knees and wait. Get down on your knees. Get down.
Somebody record this. Somebody record this.
Help!
Record it, please.
Help!
Why am I being arrested right now? What's the...
I'm okay. Just give me some units.
The situation reached a physical breaking point as the mother's persistent interference forced officers to shift their focus from the teenager to her own obstruction. As she was restrained on the ground and placed under arrest for disorderly conduct, her son watched in agitation, seeing a simple speeding ticket mutate into a high-stakes trip to jail for the entire family.
Stay right there.
Hey, Emma, come here. I need.
Just record
Stay
it.
right there.
We have it recorded. What he did is ridiculous. It's all going to be all over social media. Just wait.
Both are getting in the car. You stay right there. Stay down.
Emma,
Stay back.
Emma, stay here.
Can I get on my
Emma.
knees, sir?
Get on your knees.
I've been trying to.
You're both going to jail tonight.
For
Get on
what?
your knees.
For what?
Get on your knees.
Tell me why.
Get on your knees.
Why am I being arrested,
Now.
though? Sir.
Now.
Sir, sir,
I'm
why
not
am I-
telling you again.
I'm on my knees.
He's out of
You're
control.
both resisting
Get on-
arrest.
I'm on my knees. What the f-
You made us
Get on your knees,
What's wrong
please.
with you?
On your knees and do not move. You just stay on your knees.
Where's my phone, Bryce?
You gotta stay on your knees.
Yes, sir. I've done
Stand up for me. You're getting in the car.
Bryce, where's my phone?
Stand up. You're getting in the car.
Bryce!
I have.
Stand up.
Emma,
It's right there.
Emma.
It's right there.
Get off my phone!
You can just go.
Get my
Please.
phone!
Stand up. You're getting in the car.
Hey, check your phone.
Stand up for me.
Am I being arrested?
You're being arrested for
For what?
disorderly conduct
For what?
and obstruction disorderly.
Obstruction to what?
Me.
What did I do to you?
Getting in my face and grabbing
I did not
me.
get in your. I didn't. I touched
Yes,
you
you
once.
did.
I rubbed your shoulder once.
You're going to jail too.
For
just
what?
So you know.
Are you sober right now?
Oh, I'm 100%.
You sure? You
yeah.
don't sound very sober.
Back here.
Emma, grab my phone right there. Emma.
Get in the car. I don't know why you don't know how to listen.
Mother, get in the car, please.
You're under arrest.
For what?
You're going to jail tonight.
He is a fucking.
You like you. Sheriff, that's
He put down me, couldn't breathe. He's gonna get in some shit.
Yep.
It's gonna be all over Facebook.
Have a seat, please. You are going to jail tonight. Kick me. Make it a felony.
Quit.
Make it a felony, please.
My mother.
Get your feet in there. Sit down.
Car, mother, please.
Oh, there's a felony. Good job.
Hey, I'm not doing anything wrong.
Fine.
Why?
Jesus Christ. Go into that lot now. Give me a minute. Will you tell them they can slow down? Jesus Christ.
It's like really small.
Hope you enjoy jail tonight.
Hope you enjoy your fucking life.
All right. Hands are. Hey, look. Hands are behind my back. Look at
He
this.
needs to go in your car.
I'm doing nothing
Yep.
wrong.
Just for a minute. You people need to move on to that lot up there now.
So what have I done wrong? Besides speeding.
Get in the car.
I know. I am gently.
Get in the car.
You can be polite. You're a bitch.
Move your foot. Yeah, I'm good. I just gotta catch my breath. Their whole family apparently is up there in that parking lot. I lost my flashlight. I've got their phones around here. They like to play the game. Oh. All right. I gotta catch my breath, dude. Yeah, I'm just out of breath.
I got you.
So, I just pulled him up for speed. Looks like he's got weed in the car. Mom pulls up on scene. I try to just tell her, hey, he's got weed in the car. I'm gonna pull him out of his car. She loses her shit, gets out of the car, starts interfering with my stop. And then I tell her to move on. She won't. Tell her she's under arrest. She says she isn't. And we go from there. I should have a flashlight somewhere.
Maybe get better shape that out.
Yeah, I'm good, man. I just...
Anything hurt?
No.
Okay.
So, I go to stop this car. He's doing 73. So I said, well, I'm going to get him out and I'm going to search the car. Well, she doesn't like that. So she's telling him not to get out. I get him out back here. She comes, start interfering with my stop. I tried to tell her to get back in the car. She wouldn't listen. So I told her she's under arrest.
Just take her to jail.
Okay.
And you can give him his sites later. So
I got to find his license and figure out what his name is.
Okay.
I hadn't done that yet.
okay.
We hadn't gotten to that point.
All right. Well, if we can't find a license, we can't find a license. But
Okay.
we'll get Ryan and I will ID him.
Okay.
He'll get loose, but I want her off the scene.
I lost my flashlight. Had his ID right here. It's somewhere in the grass. Where the hell is my flashlight? I think, is that it? There it is. Yeah, I got my flashlight at least. But their whole family members are all in that parking lot right there. I don't know. They all were stopped, screaming, yelling.
What are we doing with the kid?
Well, he's at least getting a ticket for the speed, and then I think he should be charged disorderly. And let's see if I find any weed in the car. That's Mom's car. I think that needs to go to the impound lot.
Tell you what. Let's get once you.
Oh yeah. Okay, sweet. I got his ID, so I'll run it real quick and save it and save the.
That's fine.
I don't know if that's hers or not. Sounds good.
I have so many connections, you have no idea what you just said, sir. We have that all on video. It's going on everything.
I have it on video too,
Good.
ma'am.
That is great.
So-
Because you told me I couldn't stay with my 17-year-old son.
You're right.
And then you forced me on the ground.
Shh, we're not going to sit here and argue, ma'am.
Your job is on the fucking line. You don't know my connections. It's going on. It's going down.
The date was November 21, 2023. And at 8:07 p.m., a routine speeding stop for a 17-year-old clocked at 73 miles per hour quickly spiraled into a family affair. After pulling the teenager over, the officer noted the distinct smell of marijuana wafting from the vehicle. However, the investigation took a chaotic turn when the driver's mother arrived on the scene, immediately becoming confrontational and refusing to step back from the active traffic stop. Despite repeated orders to return to her car, the mother's interference forced the officer's hand. The situation turned physical as she was placed under arrest for obstruction and disorderly conduct, crying out that she couldn't breathe while being restrained on the ground. Meanwhile, her son remained agitated, demanding answers as he watched his mother being handcuffed. Ultimately, both were taken into custody. The mother's decision to intervene turned a simple speeding ticket into a trip to jail for resisting arrest and obstructing a peace officer. Subscribe for more videos and witness the raw reality of police encounters with Bodycam Real Files. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload.